Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to today's video, which is my charmed project pan, The Power of Pan. This is a project that I created for the Fantastic Ladies, but anyone is welcome to join. I do have all of the prompts listed down below in the description box of this video, so please do check them out before you leave. So I have just the one rollout this month and it is an empty. This was in for Daryl, a product you can rely on, and it is a sad day because I finished my number 7 Hydroluminous Aqua Release Skin Perfector Tinted Moisturiser 8-hour Hydration Light Coverage Foundation. Tinted moisturiser, whatever you want to call it. But I finished it. Yes, I could cut it open and probably get maybe another day's worth or 2 days worth, but it's not worth the mess. I do keep all of my makeup empties for an end of year makeup empties video. And I just don't want the mess in my drawer. It's not going to be there for long, let's be honest, but still, I don't want to be cutting it open. I've got enough out of the packaging for my particular needs, so I'm not worried about getting every last single drop. Some people are, some people aren't. I'm one of the group that aren't. So yeah, I love this product. I am so tempted to go straight back out and repurchase this. However, I know that if I do that, I will then not use the other foundations in my collection because I will constantly move towards this. I love this product so much. It's one of those foundations that I know I can pop on when I'm leaving the house. I don't have to babysit it. I don't have to worry about it. It just behaves nicely on my skin. It never settles into my pores or my creases or anything like that. It's a beautiful tinted moisturizer. I love it. Luckily, I do have good skin, thanks to jeans. Not the jeans that I'm wearing, but the jeans that I have. So yeah, I'm very lucky to be able to wear a tinted moisturiser and not have to worry. But yeah, I can't go out and repurchase this because I need to use my other foundations, and I won't if I have this in my collection. So this is now an empty and it is leaving the thing. I have used it a total of 11 times. So yeah, it didn't have very much left, but I have now finished it. So moving on to all of the other products that I have used this month. I haven't used everything in the project, so I'm only going to talk about the products that I have used. First of all, I only used it the once. I don't like this, I've discovered. We're down to here in the thing, but this is the Lime Crime liquid lipstick in Cashmere. This is in for PHOEBE, a product that I want to move out of my collection. I do want to finish it. I've only used it the once, so the weight has not changed from 10.86 grams. That was supposed to be an empty for this year, and it's just not going to happen because I'm not massively keen on it. Anyway, moving on to the next product. This is a product I do like, and I think I may purchase this in the full size. But it is my e.l.f. Skin Youth Boosting Advanced Night Retinoid Serum. It's almost empty. I was hoping it was going to be an empty for this update, but unfortunately no, it does still have a few more uses in it left. I have used it a total of 11 times and it has gone from 6.94 to 4.80. I can't over apply this. I noticed the other day that I was getting a little bit of dry skin under my eyes, and I realised that I was over applying this and I had to stop using it for a day or two just for my skin to settle back down again. So I do have to be really careful with this product, but I'm glad that I got 11 uses out of it this month. Sorry, that was for Piper, an anti-aging product. The next product, I've had some good usage on this month. This is for the Book of Shadows, and it is a No Pan Left Behind prompt. And I have my Nomad Iceland Fire and Ice palette, and I have used this a total of 3 times. So I have managed to use this first row here, column. This is a column, Nicola, that's a row. This column of colours here, I've used this shade and this shade, but not the top shade. I've used this column here. I've used this column here, and I have not used the last column. So I only have 4 shades left to use in this palette, which is this shade in River Glacier, and then this shade in Alfheim, Northern Lights, and Valkyries. So those are the shades I have left. I did kind of an orangey look, then I did a teal look, then I did a green look. But yeah, these 3 shades just seem randomly put into here. This one I could have used, but I was using another shade as an inner corner highlight. Otherwise, I would have used that as my inner corner highlight for the sort of greeny or teal look. But I used a different shade that I'm panning as well. These 3, yeah, I don't know how to fit these 3 into a look. I'm gonna have to think about it. That may be a they may have to go in 3 separate looks. So yeah, that is that. But it's staying in at least for another month, until all shades have been used at least once. Next, for Leo White Lighter, a glowy product, I have my number 7 hydrating stick. It is up to there, and the goal is to finish. So here it is on my sheet. I have had a little bit of movement, not much, but a little bit will do. I have used this a total of 2 times, and it has gone from 24.10 to 24.02. Next, I have my Maybelline brow pencil, and look how short that is now. Look at it. I think I'm going to have this finished by the end of the month. This is not going to last me into the new year. So I have used this a total of 11 times. It has gone from 5.42 to 4.61. On the paper you can see that is the amount of usage I've had, which is quite a lot. So very, very happy with it. It is a very, very soft pencil. So I do have to sharpen it quite frequently, which is why it has shortened so much. But I like it, but it's not my preferred brow product. So yeah, so that is for the Shax Demon, something that gets a second chance. And it's getting a second chance because I don't prefer using a brow pencil. I prefer using a brow pomade or a brow powder. The next item is for Dan, something you know you should love but you don't, and I picked a Body Shop hand cream because I love Body Shop hand creams. They are my favourite, except this scent. This is in the hemp scent, and this is a hard-working hand protector. So it's not really one of their like general hand creams, because their hand creams are tiny compared to this massive thing. This has got, I mean, how many grams have you got in you? 100 ml or 3.3 US floral ounces. It's huge. Look at the size. I have managed to use this twice on my feet. Now, you might say that's not a lot, but if you know me, you know that A, I've just told you, I don't like the scent of this, and B, I don't like feet, including my own. I don't like touching them, I don't like smelling them, I don't like looking at them. I hate feet, like, with a vengeance. And my new kitten loves to bite my feet and lick them. It's a learning curve. Ugh. So for me to have used this twice on my feet, I think I deserve a round of applause. Thank you very much. I will take it. But after using it twice, it's gone from 111.54 to 105.26. It's going to go slow, but at least it's going to go up. So there it is. The next one is for Zanku, something you have changed your mind on. And for that, I picked a Revolution contour palette. Now, I think I've repressed this since the beginning. So it now has more bronzers in it than it had in the first place. But my goal is to try and hit pan, or to finish, I think. One pan to finish, I believe, was my original goal. I will be just happy to hit pan in one of these, really, to be honest, since I repressed them into here. My repressing didn't go quite to plan. As you can see, the two that I did repress, they're cracked. So, don't think they're going to survive. But I have used this multiple times. I have used it 11 times, so it's gone from 2.41 grams to 1.69 grams. So yeah, I'll just be happy to hit pan. I'm basically just swirling my brush in these four here, and then hoping I get something. So that is that one. Next, I have my lip liner, and this is the Barry M lip liner in Blowout. Look at that itty bitty little pencil. Basically, once this tip has finished, I'm calling this done, because I can't sharpen this anymore. Yes, there may be product still in there, but I'm really struggling to sharpen this. I have used it 11 times this month, and it has gone from 2.41 grams to 1.69 grams. I'll show you on my paper that it has gone from up there where the red line is, down to there where the blue line is. So yeah, I'm not taking this into the new year with me, absolutely not. So once that nib, as I say, has worn down and it starts to scratch on my lips, I'm calling this done. So this will definitely be an empty before the new year. So by the next update, I will be telling you about this. But yeah, you will be seeing this in my end of year empties for sure. So that is that one. Moving on to our second to last product. By the way, did I tell you what that was for? That was for Penny Grams, and it was my oldest product, was the Barry M lip liner. Sorry. Considering it's my own project, I keep messing it up. Okay, so for Andy, a product that is gone too soon, I picked a lip gloss. This can't go quick enough, in my opinion. This one is the Revolution Sheer Brilliant Lip Gloss in Gone Rogue. I have not been noting down how many times I've used this, because I have this in my spare room next to my computer where I edit and do all sorts of stuff in there. So I'm just applying it as I'm editing and playing on the computer or whatever. But I can tell you that it has gone from 26.74 grams to 26.45 grams. So what, 0.2 of a gram gone. So very, very happy with that. I have this in to finish, but I doubt it'll be finished before the next update. And last but not least, we have the prompt for Abraxas, a duplicate item, and I have my Beauty Bay eyeliner in Vanilla. I do have this on my waterline today. I'm really liking this on my waterline. I have just that much left. I'm not sure if I can finish this before the new year, but I'll give it a damn good try. I have used this again 11 times. Can you guess how many times I wore makeup this month? And it's gone from 6.03 to 5.94. So that's that. And on my paper, I have gone from where the red line is down to the blue line. So you can see I've had some good usage there. But looking at that, I think I will still have a little bit of a nubbin left come the new year. But that's fine. I'm happy for it to be beginning of 2024 makeup empty. I'm happy for that. So yeah, that is my update for Charmed Power of Pan Project Pan. How are you doing in your project? Please leave a comment in the comment section below if you are doing this project as well, either here on YouTube or on Instagram, or if you're just uploading your updates on Facebook. Please let me know so I can come and check you out. I do like to cheer everybody on who's doing this project, because I think it's the least I can do. The fact that you're doing my project, the least I can do is cheer you on. So yeah, give me that chance and let me know in the comment section below the video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.